Hi, this is Ken from Woodturners Wonders. Today I want to talk a little bit about our random orbital sander. It's a nice little compact pneumatic unit. Only runs on 3 CFMs, so you don't need a big compressor. About 90 pounds pressure. It's also variable speed, so you can, that's the high speed, or you can crank it all the way down to low speed, and everything in between. It works well with our ultimate sanding kit, which we've shown in another video. You get the adapters with it to put either a 2-inch or a 3-inch roll-lock system on it. You also get the adapters to work with our heavy-duty pads, which is an M6 connector, or you can even use it with a standard 5/16 connecting pad. So it's very versatile. You'll find that it's because it's non-directional, it will eliminate any of those nasty swirl marks you get that you don't find until you actually put the finish on the bowl. So it's really nice. And it's got a palm trigger on it, which fellas that have the pistol grip ones tell me it's much more comfortable to use and their hand doesn't get fatigued. I think if you give it a try, you'll really like it. We sell it several different ways on our website with different combinations of sanding pad holders, and you'll find it to be a welcome addition to your finishing arsenal.